Class 11, let us continue the chapter. Already we have started general solutions of trigonometric equations. Now section 4 already I have said in the last video. We will do now 5 marks questions. Section 4 as 2 marks, 4 marks and 1 marks already discussed in the last online class. Now section 4, these are the 5 marks questions only remaining. So solve number 1. What is this exercise? Exercise 8, I think. What is the question? 4 sine theta cos theta. 4 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta. 0 less than theta less than pi. That is the question. Okay, we have to find the value of theta. Okay, so what we will do at first, take all these terms to the left hand side. Then what we will get? 4 sine theta cos theta minus 1 minus 2 cos theta minus plus 2 sine theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now 4 sine theta cos theta and 2 sine theta, from these two we can take common 2 sine theta. Then what we will get? 2 cos theta plus 1. Here also write here 2 cos theta plus 1, and it is coming minus 1 to 0. So it is coming 2 sine theta minus 1, and it is 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now product of these two equals to 0. So either 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 cos theta plus. Product of these two equal to 0 means we can write this equal to 0 or 2 cos theta plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so 2 sine theta minus 1, therefore we can write 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0, or we can write 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0 means sine theta is equal to half, and here it is coming cos theta equals to minus half. Okay, when sine theta equals to half, we know that is equals to sine pi by 6. Sine theta equals to sine pi by 6, then theta equals to, we know from the general solution, n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n pi by 6. Okay, now one by one we have to find, as the range is given, theta is more than strictly greater than 0 but less than pi. So let us find let us find the value of theta within this range. When one by one we will put the value. When n equals to 0, then theta equals to 1. This is 0, something to the power 0 is 1, so it is coming only pi by 6. Pi by 6 is what? 30 degree. 30 degree, yes, it is less than 1. So this we can take this value. Theta equals to pi by 6. When n is equal to 1, then theta is equal to 1. Pi plus minus 1 whole to the power 1 means minus 1. So it is pi minus pi by 6. 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. It is coming 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means pi by 6 means 30 degree. 5 into 30 degree, 150 degree. Yes, it is less than this. So we can take this value also. Okay. More than this we cannot take. N is equal to 2 if we take. So it is coming 2 pi plus minus 1 whole to the power 2. That is, so 2 pi plus pi by 6. See, 2 pi plus pi by 6. 6 2s are 12. So it is coming 12 plus pi, 13 pi. So 13 pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 30 degree. 30 degree into 13. 30 into 13 means 13 3 is the 390 degree. 390 degree we cannot take, as theta is less than pi. So we cannot take this. So n is equal to, up to n is equal to 1 we can take. Next, this one. So cos theta equals to minus half. Cos theta equals to minus half means cos theta equals to, we can write then cos theta equals to cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, therefore cos theta equals to cos alpha. Therefore theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Now when n equals to 0, same as before. When n is equal to 0, then theta is equal to simply 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 means, again check, the pi by 3 means 60. 60 into 2, 120 degrees. So we can take this value. Okay, when n is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, when n is equal to 0, we can write this. We can get 2 pi by 3, or we can get theta equals to minus 2 pi by, as it is plus minus, we can take 2 pi by 3 or minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, but since theta is greater than 0, so negative value we cannot take. So which value we will take? We will take only 2 pi by 3. Okay, therefore what is the required solution? Therefore required solutions are pi by 6, already written, 5 pi by 6 and then 2 pi by 3. Understood everyone? I think it is clear. Okay, now next sum. If the range is given, then one by one we have to put the values of n like this. Because we have to see whether the value of theta satisfying within the range or not. If it is not satisfied, this won't be the general solution. So that solution we cannot take. Okay, now number 2. 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 2 sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, the range is given 0 degree less equals to theta less equals to 360 degree. This is given in terms of degree. So same as before, this is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So 1 plus 2 sin theta minus, okay, from then 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta, we can take coming 2 sin theta, and then it is coming cos theta minus 1, and here also we can write cos theta minus 1. Okay, so it is minus 1, minus plus minus cos theta, yes. So what we will get? We will get 2 sin theta minus 1 into cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now product of these two equals to 0, so we can write 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, or we can write cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. From here we can write sin theta is equal to half. From here we can write cos theta equals to 1. Now sin theta is equal to half means sin pi by 6, already said. Sin theta is equal to half means sin pi by 6. So sin theta equals to sin alpha means theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n pi by 6, where n belongs to the integer. Okay. Now when n is equal to 0, this is 0, means this power minus 1 whole to the power 1, so it is coming, then theta is only pi by 6, something to the power 0 is pi by 6, that is 30 degree. Okay. Next, when n is equal to 1, then what we will write? This is pi. N is equal to 1 means the pi minus pi by 6. So theta is coming pi minus pi by 6. So 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi. So it is coming 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 30 degree. 5 into 3, 30 degree, 150 degree. So the value is 150 degree. More than 1 we cannot take, then it will be more than 360 degree. No? So if we take 2 pi means 2 pi, and it is coming plus 2 pi plus pi by 6. 2 pi plus pi by 6 means what? So 12 pi plus 13 pi by 6. 13 pi by 6 means, yes, it is again coming 390 degrees, so we cannot take this because it is less equal to 360 degree. Now come to this here. Cos theta equals to 1 means 1 we know that is equals to cos 0 degree. As sin 0 degree equals to 0, so cos 0 degree is 1. As sin 90 is 1. Now theta equals to cos alpha means theta equals to 2n pi, according to general solution. Now when n equals to 0, then theta is equal to 0. Okay, theta is 0 degree. When n is equal to 1, we can take theta greater than equals to 0. So 0 degree value we can take. When n is equal to 1, then theta is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. Yes, it is 360 degree. We can take as it is less equal to 360. We can take this value, we can take this value. We can take this, we can take this. Therefore, required solutions are 0 degree, 30 degree, 150 degree, and 360 degree. This is the answer. Next sum, if I start now, no, it won't be able to complete within 2 minutes. Next sum coming with new video.